Most cyclists blame their saddle for knee pain, but 40% of the time, the real culprit is a 3 mm mistake under your shoe. Let's start with fore-aft position. The old rule was putting the ball of your foot directly over the pedal spindle. But looking at 2025 and 2026 Pro Peloton data, there is a massive shift toward a midfoot position, moving cleats 5 to 10 millimeters rearward. Here's where most people mess up. If you get that burning hot foot numbness, you probably just loosen your shoes. Don't do that. Instead, move your cleats 5 millimeters back. I also recommend a $10 metatarsal button to spread those bones apart. Next is lateral stance width. A wider stance engages your hips and prevents your knees from caving inward, a major cause of IT band friction. Narrow is more aerodynamic, but risky. Speedplay pedals offer the widest lateral range, while Shimano provides about 5 millimeters. Now let's talk rotation. Shimano yellow cleats give you 6 degrees of float, while blue gives 2. Please avoid the zero float red cleats, unless you have absolutely perfect biomechanical alignment. Locking your foot in place is the fastest track to a knee injury. Film yourself pedaling from behind in slow motion. Your knees must track perfectly straight up and down. Inward wobble means your stance is too narrow or cleats point out. Studies like Binney et al. Show 40% of cyclists have a leg length discrepancy over 3 millimeters. A $1.20 specialized B.G. wedge or a $1.25 bike fit shim under your short legs cleat can eliminate years of unilateral knee pain almost instantly. Ready to set yours up? First, mark your first metatarsal head with tape. Align the cleat so the spindle is 5 millimeters behind that mark. Stand relaxed to find your natural toe-out angle and match your cleat rotation to that exact degree. Ride for 30 minutes. If you feel any joint stress, adjust just 1 millimeter at a time. Bike fit is a game of millimeters. Make the change today. Fix your cleats and ride pain-free.